Navigating the jungle of English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock its secrets together. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might come across in books, movies, or even in casual conversations: navigate the jungle. This expression is a brilliant example of how English uses imagery to convey complex ideas. So, let's embark on this journey together and discover what it truly means to navigate the jungle of not just English, but any aspect of life. Navigate the jungle might conjure images of explorers moving through a dense, tropical forest, equipped with nothing but a map and a compass. This literal image, however, is just the starting point. In English, this phrase is often used metaphorically to describe finding one's way through a complex or challenging situation. The jungle represents any environment that is difficult to navigate, be it a new city, a bureaucratic system, or even the vast and intricate world of the English language. To fully appreciate this expression, let's dissect the metaphor. The jungle. Typically, a jungle is wild, dense, and unpredictable. Metaphorically, it symbolizes the complexity and chaos of whatever situation or environment you're dealing with. Navigate. To navigate is to find one's way. It implies skill, strategy, and sometimes the use of tools or assistance to move through difficult terrain. When combined, navigate the jungle suggests a strategic approach to overcoming challenges in complex scenarios. It's about making sense of confusion, finding a path forward, and not just surviving but thriving in daunting circumstances. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. Career navigation. Entering the job market after college felt like trying to navigate a jungle, with every decision leading to unknown challenges. 2. Learning a new skill. Mastering a new language is like navigating a jungle. It's full of unexpected obstacles but also moments of beauty. 3. Dealing with bureaucracy. Filing for a visa can feel like navigating a jungle, where every step forward requires tenacity and patience. These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can apply to various life situations, emphasizing the skills and attitude needed to navigate effectively. Navigate the jungle is a powerful expression that vividly captures the essence of tackling life's complexities. Whether you're learning English, adapting to a new environment, or facing any sort of challenging situation, remember that navigation requires patience, strategy, and resilience. We hope this exploration of the phrase has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to approach your personal jungles with a sense of adventure and determination. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic expedition, and as always, happy learning. Remember, every journey through the jungle is an opportunity for growth. See you in our next video.